What's up, everybody? So I wanted to share with you guys a project we have in the shop today. This is a 2019 BMW M5 competition series. Really awesome car. It's got the carbon fiber package. The whole roof's real carbon. But the reason this car's here is it was here about a year ago, or a little less than a year, and we did paint protection film, XPEL on the whole front. So hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors got protected with XPEL. And it also got ceramic coated. And he called me the other day and said somebody sideswiped him, and he thought that the film may need replaced. So he brought the car in, and what we have going on here is you can tell that there was a significant impact, and it dented the fender a little bit here and here. But we have a really good paintless dent removal guy that should be able to get all of that out. And as you can see, we haven't touched the car yet, but this kind of stuff would definitely have damaged the paint. And it may be able to be buffed out of the paint, but more than likely this probably would have scratched the paint up to a point where you'd be looking at a respray on probably the front bumper as well as the fender, and may even have to blend into like the hood or the door. So there'd be a lot of body work on this, which would usually lead to an insurance claim and maybe even a bad Carfax. And on a car like this, it's still worth a lot of money when he goes to get rid of it. A bad Carfax is a big problem. So what we're going to do is try to remove these marks without even removing the film. I think that some of this will wipe off because the ceramic coating probably did its job with some of the, I don't know if it's paint transfer or what, but as you can tell, it's literally wiping off with my finger. No way that's happening with unprotected paint. So pretty cool stuff there. I don't think we're even going to have to replace any film on this for Nick. So we're excited, and we'll show you the finished product.
All right, so what we're going to do is use this XPEL paint protection cleaner. We're going to spray it on here. We were thinking we were going to have to remove the film because he got sideswiped there. It looked pretty nasty, but upon further inspection, we went ahead and we kind of just rubbed it with our finger a little bit, and it started coming off. So we think we might be able to save the whole thing with a little bit of this and a little bit of elbow grease. Let's give it a shot. It looks like this is really dirty, and normally we would wash it before we would go through and do this so we don't scratch anything, but it has paint protection film on it already, so we don't have to worry about scratching the paint. One of the benefits of paint protection film. We'll spray that on there. Look how nice that is. Ooh, refreshing.
All right, so it's the end of the day here, and the M5 that we were working on earlier that got sideswiped is all done. So I want to show this to you. Super cool. The front bumper that had that huge black mark from the sideswipe, that mark is completely gone. It was cleaned off. Marshall did that earlier, as well as the fender. And then there was also a big dent, and this whole area was right on the body line here. We had our paintless dent removal guy come in and do this. He did an awesome job. It looks factory. Can't even tell that anything ever happened. So this is why you need paint protection film on your car if you care about it at all, or even if you don't care about it. This saved a lot of money. In this scenario, the front bumper and the fender probably would have been repainted at a body shop, but because of the film and the coating, didn't need to do that. Because of the paintless dent removal, we didn't have to do any type of body work, so now this car can maintain a clean Carfax with no replacing film, no repainting any panels. You don't have to worry about panels matching anymore or anything weird like that. Paint protection film and ceramic coatings are a smart investment, and if you have any dents, hail damage, anything like that, give us a call. Take care of you.